outside, be outside, stay outside. Outside mob.
Excuse me, miss. You too loud down there.
You make it too much nicer.
That's you.
No.
Black people are sleeping.
I'm working.
Oh, okay. All right.
You know, I must really like this place if I let these folks put me to work while I'm on vacation. This is Mr.Tucan in Roatan, Honduras. Yeah.
Going to Honduras? Want to be on the beach? Let me show you a nice place.
Buenos días. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien, muy bien.
Man, I love the staff here.
The first room. Standard room, nice, clean, big bathroom, spacious, lots of room for your clothes. And other things, hot shower, cold AC. What more can you ask for? Second room I stayed in, king room. Now this one, minus the dresser, was pretty much the same. Bigger bed, same hot shower, cold AC. And both rooms came complete with a nice size safe for all your valuables and belongings. Let's move on. Let's check out the facility. Neatly decorated. It's a diver's paradise. Outdoor showers, bathrooms, kitchen as well as laundry. This place has got it all. Lots of sunbathing.
I come out of these beautiful women climbing my trees. What's going on here? I got beautiful women climbing my tree. Oh, wow. Hey,
The employees were always on my deck picking up mangoes.
Okay. Welcome to the cabin.
I gotta admit, I love this little cabin, man. As soon as you go up the stairs, there's a loft bed, a little bit of bizzle on TV, big AC, full kitchen. But the real prize, these mangoes, man. They call them candy mangoes here, and they are everywhere. Concussion alert, yeah, that's out here for hours, just relaxing under these trees. That's that. I mean, not much more you can ask for, right? Alright, I'm going back to the beach.
Did I forget the free breakfast that's included at Bean Crazy just next door? I partook of that quite a few times. And after that, cross the street and you're right back on the beach. What more can I say? Great place to stay. Mr.Tucan, Roatan, Honduras.
Outside mob approved. As always, thanks for watching, bros.